Hi, I'm Marika Newman, and I'm going to show you how to make an ad in Photoshop. You will need Adobe Photoshop and a computer. The first step is to open up Adobe Photoshop. Select File and then click New. Make the file whatever size you need. For instance, if you will be placing the ad on the internet, the width and height should be the size of the space you have for it, and the resolution should be 72. If you are printing the ad, then the width and height should again match the ad size, but the resolution should be much higher. Name this Ad 1 and click OK. Next, select Foreground Color. In the dialog that opens, make the color whatever color you want the background color of your ad to be. As an alternative, you could simply select the Gradient tool and choose a new color and apply the gradient to the image. Restore down the Photoshop window, and find any image you might want to use in your ad. Drag these into the Photoshop window and they will become new documents. Maximize the Photoshop window. For each image you imported, go to Select and click All, then copy and paste each into the Ad 1 document. Go to Edit, then Transform and click Scale to change the size of the image you brought in. Now use the Pen tool to draw a path outline around those parts of each image that you want to keep. Right-click on the path and choose Make Selection. Then go to Selection and click Invert. Click Delete on your keyboard. This technique is central to creating convincing ads in which products seem to stand directly against the background you choose. Now change the foreground color and select the Text tool. Type in the text you want to include. Keep it simple and short. When you're finished, save your project onto a CD or your computer. And that is how to make an ad in Photoshop.